The next biomechanical principle that I want to discuss is the coefficient of restitution. So this value is an absolute value of the ratio of the velocity of separation to the velocity of approach. Now, those two things, the velocity of separation is the difference between velocities of two colliding objects just after the collision. So it's essentially the velocity of the bounce as the two objects are moving away from one another. The velocity of approach, is the difference between velocities of two colliding objects just before the collision. So this is essentially how fast they are moving toward each other. So if you're dropping a ball from a fixed height, in order to find the coefficient of restitution, we only need the drop height and the height of the rebound. So for my example, that's what I'm going to be discussing. I have a tennis ball here, and I'm standing over my balcony right now. So if I were to drop the tennis ball over the edge, the height of the drop is the initial thing that we would need. Then we would need someone at the bottom to measure the height of the bounce or the rebound. Those two numbers together, we would plug them in, and that would help us to find our coefficient of restitution.